Hello students, I am Mohsin from Department of Commerce. I am going to handle the subject Business Studies. Under Business Studies, a very important chapter, Financial Market. So dear students, today we'll discuss the introduction and a structure of financial market. That is the introduction and the system of financial market. Before that, we need to know what is financial market. So here, financial market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers create and exchange financial securities or assets such as shares, debentures, currencies, etc. So here, a financial market is a marketplace. It is a marketplace where buyers and sellers create and exchange financial securities or assets. So here buyers and sellers create the money. So financial market, finance in the sense a money. So here buyers and sellers create money or exchange money, that is the financial securities such as shares, debentures, currencies. There are many types of securities are there. So these securities are traded. These securities are created under the financial market. So in simple, financial market is a market place where buyer and sellers create and exchange financial securities or assets. You need to know what are all the kinds of financial securities. So it may be a shares, it may be a debentures, currencies, bonds, and so on. So these securities are traded. These securities are traded in a marketplace. That market is called as financial market over here. So before understanding the system of financial market, we need to know a very two important sectors comes under financial market. Those are households and business firms. So here household means they may be savers. We can call them the surplus units. So the people who want to save money, the people who want to invest money, those people are called as households. And the people who want money, the people who want to start their business, the people want money for the production, the people want money for the expansion of business, those kind of people are called as business firms. They also called as deficit units, because always they need money, always business firms need money, and these households always try to save money into different securities or into a different institutions, financial institutions. So here, after knowing these two sectors, we'll understand the system of financial market. So households are the savers and the business firms are the deficit units. These people always invest money or save money. These people always needs money from the different institutions. Now I'll discuss about the financial system. Financial system. Okay, so we'll start from households. Okay, dear students, these households are the savers, as I told you before. They'll be having money and they want to invest that money or they want to save that money into a different financial institution. And the purpose of these households or savers is to create money or to earn money in future. They want returns For that purpose, they are going to save money into different institutions. So they may be save their money or invest their money into banks or financial markets. So they are going to invest their amount into banks or financial institutions, and their intention and their objective is to earn money in the form of interest as well as in the form of dividend, whether in the form of interest or in the form of dividend. Then these institutions, banking sectors as well as financial market, they going to reinvest the same amount into a different business firms. So this is what we call as a financial system. How it operates, we need to understand. Households, those are savers, going to invest their amount into a financial market or deposits their amount into a banking sector. Then these banks or financial institutions reinvest that amount to the business firms. Okay, I'll give an example so that you can understand easily.